Anna Karenina is a novel by Leo Tolstoy that was first published in 1878. The story is set in Russia and revolves around the lives of several characters, including Anna Karenina, a married woman who falls in love with Count Vronsky. The novel explores themes of love, family, social status, and morality. It is divided into 8 parts and is narrated from the perspectives of several characters. The story begins with the marriage troubles of Anna's brother, Oblonsky, and his wife Dolly. Anna is called upon to mediate their dispute, and while on a trip to Moscow to help them, she meets Count Vronsky. The two quickly fall in love, and Anna becomes pregnant with Vronsky's child. Meanwhile, Konstantin Levin, a wealthy landowner, is struggling to come to terms with his own feelings of love and marriage. He proposes to Kitty, who rejects him in favor of Vronsky. Levin eventually marries Kitty's younger sister, but struggles with his own insecurities and fears about the relationship. As Anna's relationship with Vronsky becomes more public, she faces scrutiny and judgment from society. Her husband, Karenin, discovers her affair and is devastated. Anna is torn between her love for Vronsky and her duty to her husband and son. In the end, Anna becomes increasingly desperate and depressed, and tragically takes her own life by throwing herself under a train. Levin, meanwhile, finds peace and fulfillment in his relationship with his wife and the simple life of a farmer. Anna Karenina is a complex and emotionally rich novel that explores the depths of human love and the consequences of societal norms and expectations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.